Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. Meet the Whatif Monsters. This book is What If I Want to Be Kind by Michelle Nelson Smith. And I just absolutely love these What If monsters. They're perfect for introducing your little ones to concepts that allow you to open up room for conversation. So this book specifically, What If I Want to Be Kind, follows the What If monster learning how to be kind in different areas. So each section talks about different ways that we can be kind, whether it be to people, our community, our earth, our teachers, or someone new. It goes through about 10, 12 different situations in which we can be kind. And it gives the What If monsters ideas on how they can be kind. Each page, I think, offers a great opportunity to open a conversation with your child on how they feel that they can be kind in different situations. So this book is really great, teaching little ones how they can be kind and helping them determine actions that will help them to feel good, that they've helped others, and that they're being kind to themselves. So definitely check out this book, What If I Want to Be Kind by Michelle Nelson Smith. But that's just my point of view.